Right, good evening everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by, I do genuinely appreciate it. If you could help me out by dropping a like, subscribing, any comments or questions you've got, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I want to talk about VeChain again today, and some of the good work they've been doing with Walmart out in China and the food supply chain. It's actually quite decent news, to be honest with you. I'll go through the cryptocurrency market quickly. We've got a market cap of 823 billion, 24-hour trading volume of 27.6 billion, and Bitcoin dominance currently sitting at 39.6%. Bitcoin itself is attempting to break through the $17,000 mark. I think it's been sitting about 17.6, 17.7 for the majority of the week. It's been fairly flat, but it looks like it's trying to push up a little bit now. As for what's trending today, Step-In, that's actually a protocol I'm invested in. It was initially a Solana-based NFT game, but it's gone multi-chain. I think it's on Binance and some other networks now. But what I do with my Step-In app NFT game is all the GMT I exchange for Solana. So that's not a bad thing, considering Solana appears to be holding on to its gains that it's made earlier on in the week. But moving along, let's look at VeChain. VeChain is currently trading at 0.016, up 0.64%, so no major moves. Let's have a look through the sentiment of the community. Fairly bullish. I did notice one comment down here from someone called Elliot Phibbs saying that VeChain's chart looks terrible. Don't be surprised if this thing matches its all-time low or makes a new all-time low before the bear market ends. It's a fair enough comment. The chart doesn't look great, but I'm in this for the utility and the fundamentals. The chart, yeah, not brilliant, but to me this is a no-brainer. I don't see how this can fail. Not financial advice, but I'm still buying as much as I can at these levels. Even if it goes low, I don't mind. I'm just going to keep DCAing in until it eventually does pump. But yeah, it could go lower. I'm not sure, but I'm quite happy to be buying at these levels. So onto the article. I've read through it, and they're calling someone. It starts off calling them Michelle, and then starts calling them Michael. So I'm quite confused whether it's a man or a woman. But I'll just go through the article anyway. You'll see what I mean as we go through. So, head of supply chain twin transition at DMV, Michelle M, highlights that Walmart has benefited from adopting VeChain blockchain. VeChain has also benefited from the partnership as Walmart drives transaction volume to the network. The VeChain blockchain's long-standing partnership with American multinational retail corporation Walmart continues making waves in the multi-billion-dollar food industry in China. The Chinese arm of Walmart partnered with VeChain back in 2019. The partnership saw Walmart build a blockchain-based platform to enable customers to trace the origin of grocery items in its shops. According to a new article highlighted by VeChain community member Eisenreach, the platform has so far benefited Walmart and VeChain. It notes that Walmart customers use the platform daily. They can scan products to get details of their origin and other information, so they can track the food through the supply chain and find out if there's been any issues, recalls and whatnot. So this is why I like this project, because it's being used in the real world. Like as we speak, it is being used, and once it gets deployed globally and becomes mass adopted, I can just see this thing skyrocket. And again, not financial advice, it's just my personal opinions. The article was written by, is it Michael or Michelle now? Michelle M. I'm going to keep calling it Michelle. By Michelle M, the head of supply chain twin transition department at classification body DNV. In the article, Michelle maintained that the wider blockchain adaptation could potentially reduce cases of foodborne illnesses globally. Never a bad thing. According to him, so is it Michelle? I'm just going to keep calling it Michelle. According to him, foodborne illnesses are still a major global issue, as the World Bank reported 600 million cases in 2022. That's a lot of food poisoning. Blockchain technology deployment in the industry, as exemplified by Walmart, can improve speed, accuracy and food traceability protocols. In the case of Walmart, the retail chain was able to provide the FDA with detailed information on the source of potential contamination within hours. The feat was achieved back in 2020, was a significant improvement from the 7 days the process used to take. So by using VeChain, Walmart have been able to alert the FDA that there's a potential food contamination within hours, which is currently taken, I imagine the majority of other companies around the world, 7 days. So that's a massive improvement. That's going to prevent a lot of illness. And looking forward, protect companies' reputation. So moving along, the improvement was achieved with a reduced associated cost, reduced losses, and help brands prevent damage to reputation. Yeah, there you go. Walmart has also worked with the US Customs Border Protection to pilot a program to track imported goods. Walmart driving massive transaction volume to VeChain. Walmart has shown how food supply chain participants can easily arrange for favourable processes due to the transparency of blockchain technology. Michelle cites this as one reason Walmart has expanded its adaptation of blockchain technology beyond its Chinese operations. As evidenced by on-chain metrics, the Walmart and VeChain partnership has benefited both parties. The amount of VeChain transition originating from Walmart customers rose through 2022, reaching a peak in November. According to a VeChain community-focused Twitter account, this massive transaction volume from Walmart is a solid revenue source for the network. The account also asserted that Walmart is only one of thousands of enterprises that will come on board with VeChain. This will significantly boost real-world use cases that VeChain is confident it can handle in the long term. More real-world adaptation for VeChain will certainly drive the price of VET to new highs. At the time of this report, VET currently trades around 0.015, down 3.25% in the last day. The price marks a 94.7% drop from its all-time high of from 28 cents reached in April 2021. So there's plenty of scope for growth, and that article just makes me even more bullish on this project. And I don't see anyone can argue with that. So we quickly go to the chart. Like Matey Boy said, it doesn't look pretty, but it doesn't look like it's breaking down. He's not mentioned the bullish divergence there. Moving average is flattening off slightly. It's just flat across the board, not just VeChain. The majority of projects, nothing's really falling. Since the FTX thing back on the 22nd, nothing's really recovered massively. It's just been holding these levels. So I'm quite happy to be buying at these levels. Were it to go back, let's go back further. Let's go to the weekly. Were it to go back down here, I'd just keep buying. I'm just going to keep DCAing in. I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. As with any investment I bring to you on this channel, it's just my own personal opinions and what I'm doing. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm quite happy to be wrong, because I don't just invest in things I don't believe in. And this is a project that I definitely have a lot of belief in. So I'll leave it for there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Have a wonderful evening. Enjoy your rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.